Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about how you can add and remove the Google account in your device Xiaomi 12x. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. If you want to add or if you want to remove the Google account from your device Xiaomi 12x, you can do this as the way I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can add and remove Google account in your device. Let's watch the video.